In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Etsy to Shippo using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Connecting Etsy to Shippo allows you to manage shipping more efficiently by importing your Etsy orders into Shippo and generating shipping labels from one dashboard. Once connected, your orders will automatically sync, letting you create labels, track shipments, and update order statuses quickly. Now, if you want to connect Etsy to Shippo, here's what to do. Start by creating a Shippo account. Before connecting your Etsy shop, go to the Shippo website, click on Sign Up or Get Started, and create your account using your email, Google account, and business details. Once done, log in to your Shippo dashboard. Next, open the Store Connections page. After logging in, go to Settings, then select Stores and click on Connect a Store. You'll see a list of supported e-commerce platforms. Now, choose Etsy from the list, click on Connect Etsy, and you'll be redirected to the Etsy login page. Sign in to your Etsy seller account and click Allow Access. This step authorizes Shippo to import your Etsy orders. Once connected, your Etsy orders will start syncing with Shippo, allowing you to create shipping labels, track shipments, and manage fulfillment more efficiently. That's it. Connecting Etsy to Shippo helps you save time, reduce shipping costs, and handle orders from one place.